Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today, let us understand Ignimax tablet or Ignimax Desire Booster tablet. The name is Ignimax Desire Booster tablet is an effective formulation to boost energy levels, desire and enhance the vitality. It is synergistic combination of the herbs like ashwagandha and kavach blended with nutraceuticals like lycopene and CoQ10 to boost vigor, vitality and stamina. The invigorating herbal tonic energizes the body and offers the revitalizing benefits to boost performance and endurance. So it is useful for the vigor and vitality support for men, helps to improve the desire and strength, helps to promote the stamina and endurance. This relieves the stress and provides the nourishment. My dear friends, Ignimax Desire Booster tablet contains ashwagandha, kavach, lycopene, amino acids, vitamins, and mineral. You can take one tablet twice daily with the milk. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get such interesting short videos. Thank you.